We're going to take a tour of our room at the JW Marriott Marquis. It's fully accessible, coming up right after this. We just got off our accessible shuttle from the Brightline station. Now we're headed in to check in and go up and take a look at our room here. We were really pleased with the room. It was very accessible. I'm going to run over, and you notice they even have cutouts so that if you're in a wheelchair, you can access the person who is checking you in. I'm checked in now. We're headed for the elevator. Once we get it to the top of the elevator, we'll look at the room. I did speed the video up to twice its normal speed just to make things go quickly. The elevator worked really well. As we get up into the room, you'll notice that the bathroom has a pocket door on it, which is very unusual. Cheryl's going to go in. We'll take a look at the bathroom and see all the features. The sink's at a really nice height. We look over to the right to the toilet, and we'll get a better look here in just 1 second. And what we're going to find is that it's got rails on the side and behind it. The linen is accessible in the linen closet. And the seal at the bottom of the shower, you'll see there, the little brown strip, that is soft rubber, so you can take a wheelchair in. We have a shower seat on the left. The handheld shower was left in the wrong position, but if it was left in the right position, everything would work good if you were in a wheelchair. We're going to take a look here at the cabinets. Now this cabinet, the bar that you see is up too high, but it looks like there is a bar that is attached to the back that you can fold down. We did not try that. We were kind of rushed for trying to get some rest. We're going to fly out the next morning. There is plenty of space next to the bed. You'll see here in a second. And on that block on the right side, that it does have power available. So you've got USB and conventional AC power. Plenty of space to get a wheelchair in there. Cheryl's on a wheel CI2. You'll see she goes right up in there, right next to the bed. Now, I don't think she can turn around there, but she'll back out easily. If you're getting value from this video, please do me a favor and go ahead and hit the like button. And let me know what you thought in the comments. Thanks. Just turning around so we can go into the rest of the room. You'll notice that on the right side, I already have my laptop set up. Plenty of space to work there. Cheryl's talking about the dresser drawers being at a nice height. We had some fruit waiting for us. Again, there's the phone next to the bed. Lots of space in the room. It worked really well. And we really had a nice day at the JW Marriott Marquis in downtown Miami, right by the port. Now, in just a second, if you look down, your subscribe button is red. If you'll click my face, it'll fix that problem. And over on the right, there's going to be a playlist of videos I think you'll enjoy. We'll see you next time.